Hello students, we are working out problems on binomial distribution. Let us see one more such problem in this video. 4 unbiased coins are tossed 128 times. Unbiased means error free. Coins without any errors. Perfect coins, not manipulated coins. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡದಿರೋ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸನ್ನು ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 4 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 4. ಸೊ 4 ಅನ್ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟಾಸ್ಡ್ 128 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. 4 coins each. That is repeated for 128 times. That means you have your big N as 128 times. See, in the first line itself you have two informations, that is small n and big N. 4 unbiased coins are tossed 128 times. Small n is equals to 4 and big N is equals to 128. Find expected frequencies of number of heads obtained. They are asking us to calculate expected frequencies. What are all the expected frequencies, or what are all the expected combinations of heads that can be obtained when 4 coins are tossed? That means when 4 coins are tossed, the expected results should be, you may expect 0 heads, 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads, and 4 heads. And you cannot expect 5, 6 or 7 heads because the maximum number of coins ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸು 4. ಸೊ 4 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸನ್ನು ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೂ ಹೆಡ್ ಬರದೇ ಇರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಡ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 4 ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಆವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ the expected number of heads you can obtain by tossing 4 unbiased coins are, it can be 0 heads, it can be 1 head, it can be 2 heads, it can be 3 heads, or it can be 4 heads. So these are the expected possibilities. To know the probability of the expected probabilities, you should just calculate P0, P1, P2, P3, P4 independently and separately. After calculating all these probabilities separately, it should be multiplied with your big N, that is 128. So the problem is very simple. ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ P0, P1, P2, P3 ಮತ್ತು P4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು 128, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಎನ್ 128 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ obtained. So pretty simple. And the values of P and Q in this question should be by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, or 50%, 50%, or 0.5. Because when a coin is tossed, you will have only 2 possibilities to get an outcome. First outcome can be getting a head or getting a tail. So hagagi getting head or getting tail, the possibilities, the probabilities, the chances will be 50-50. So that you can say, in this case, the value of P is equals to 1 by 2. Let us assume the probability of getting head in tossing a coin is P. Therefore, P is equals to 1 by 2. And in the same case, Q is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. That also comes to 1 by 2. So with this information, you should be proceeding to see the calculations. Let us see one more time. The given information in the question is 4 unbiased coins are tossed 128 times. That means your small n is equals to 4 and the big N is equals to 128. So let's see the calculations. You can just put it in the form of a small table like this. So P of x, that is you are calculating P0. P of x, we are calculating P0. P0 is equals to, let's put the formula. ncx into p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x. That should be 4 combination 0, because you are calculating the value of 0. Therefore 4 combination 0 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, that should be 1 by 16. Probability of x is 1 by 16. And the next one, expected frequency, or you can call it as theoretical frequency, tx. ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಪಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು, that is big N into probability of x. In the case of P0, probability of x we calculated 1 by 16, and in this case big N, that is N is given in the question 128 times, therefore 128 into 1 by 16, that comes to 8. That is the expected frequency for 0 heads. Now P1, that is getting 1 head. Use the formula 4 combination 1 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, that is 4 by 16. Again tx equals to 128 into 4 by 16, that is 32. And proceed with the P2 value. ncx into p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x, that comes to ncx 4c2 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, that comes to 6 by 16. 128 into 6 by 16, that is 48. And in the case of P3, 4C3 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, that comes to 4 by 16. That is 128 into 4 by 16 is equals to 32. And the last one, P4 can also be calculated. ncx will become 4C4 into p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x, that is 1 by 2 to the power of 4. That's again 1 by 16. Again multiply with the n, you will get 8. So the expected frequencies in this case should be 8, 32, 48, 32 and 8. And the total will be always equal to 128, because big N total is equals to 128. The number of times the 4 coins are tossed is 128. Therefore your frequencies, expected frequencies total will also be 128. And the second column P of x is calculated in the same manner. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು P0, P1, P2 ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, with the help of the formula, that is ncx into p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x. Same formula is applied in this case. Formula ಏನು ಬದಲಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, just work out and see the calculations. ncx into p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x binomial distribution formula ಏನಿದೆ, probability mass function, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ and check the calculations yourself, and if you have any doubts, you know how to contact me.